Hello, you're on a SetAnet channel. In this review, I will show you how to set a proxy in Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio Code. Click on the file in the upper left corner, then select Preferences and then Settings. In the Application section, find Proxy. In the second section, in the line, you need to set your proxy data. If you have a free proxy, you can set it in the following format: protocol type: $2/IP: port. If you have a personal proxy, then in the next format: protocol type: $2/login: password @IP: port. We have set our proxy. But there is a second way. Go to the settings JSON file. Next, set the command that is shown on your screen and will be in the description of this video. By analogy with how I explained earlier, depending on the proxy type, set the proxy data. Then you can launch it and work. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Click like, subscribe to the channel, and good luck!